Hey everybody, good morning. We are talking to you from Sun Moon Lake in Taiwan. This is a beautiful place. Fresh air, beautiful scenery. Look at that. Beautiful. It's epic, right? And you can do a lot of things here. You can visit the temple, the what, Xuan?
玄光寺
Yeah, beautiful place. Eye up there. Look behind me. Yeah, and this place is like misty, really beautiful, like heaven. All right, and you can go take the yacht to different island. You can have this. Go to Lalu Island, the biggest, the smallest island in Sun Moon Lake. People is beautiful here, delicious food. We truly enjoy this island. The next time you come to Taipei, you need to visit Sun Moon Lake. And right now we are going to Taipei. You should be with us. You should be here. See you in Taipei.